Hello, everyone. This is your market update for Thursday, May 29th, 2025. Today, we're going to get initial claims expected at 230,000, as well as the first revision to GDP for the first quarter expected at negative 0.4%, as well as pending home sales. Tomorrow will be a big day when we get PCE and core PCE inflation data. Over to the headlines, it says Trump trade strategy roiled by court blocking global tariffs. Down here, it states in a ruling issued late Wednesday, a three-judge panel for the U.S. Court of International Trade declared that the Trump administration had wrongly invoked a 1977 law imposing his Liberation Day tariffs on dozens of countries, and they were therefore illegal. Down here, it states further that it is unclear just how fast Wednesday's ruling will go into effect, with the court giving the government up to 10 days to carry out the necessary administrative moves to remove the tariffs. So that's shaking things up in the markets. Over to the charts, gold currently trading at $3,325. The level we need to close below here is 3,285. We were below it briefly overnight, and then we've rallied since. So it looks like we're not going to get our swing high just yet. Overall, I still think we're going to roll over here towards the end of May into early June, and I'm looking for fresh lows later in June. Right now, we just haven't got that swing high, so we're waiting for that. Silver currently trading at $33.54. It's been range bound here for a while. Really need to close below last Thursday's low, which was $32.74 to support more downside. Platinum currently trading at $1,084. We'll see if we get that seasonal high here in May and then that dip down into August or in September, like we've seen the last few years. Then over to GDX, finished up yesterday 1.17%. I was pretty impressed with its resilience. I thought it would be a little bit lower, but it's bouncing. The level we got to close below here to support a top is $48.80. We might get a little more upside follow through here, but overall, if I'm correct about the left translated cycle in gold, we should see miners roll over here towards the end of the month and then see fresh lows in June. And then lastly, the S&P 500 made a fresh high here on this tariff news. We'll see if we get any extension higher, but right now, I don't know that it looks like we might be breaking away from the 2022 breakdown unless prices roll over here quickly. And if the tariffs are off the table, then it's possible this April low is more significant and that we could see more upside and possibly fresh highs. So we'll be watching this right now. As long as the S&P 500 stays above the 200-day moving average, I'd say we have a significant low, and we could see the markets make new all-time highs. So I'm watching that. Back below the 200-day, then we're still on track for a potential retracement down towards the April low. So that's it for now. Have yourself a wonderful day, and we'll talk to you later.